Okay, Vulcan Operation Hurricane Alpha. We're playing Japan. We're in turn 15 or 16. Looks like 15. Getting close to game in. Maybe 2, 3 turns, but can we hold on? Axis are still ahead. 7-4-3. So London has fallen, and looks like we're going to keep London. So let's go from there then. So all right. So 1, 2, 3. Japan will have 17 IPPs. Going to move a battleship along, buy 2 submarines, buy 1 militia, and get our coastal gun. This is actually only costs 5 because we have Q Batai and improved construction. So, and that's that. All right. I don't think we have any combat. So, it'll be a pretty quick round here. Uh, oh, we do have 2 kamikaze attacks, so we'll roll those over here against this British fleet. See if we can get some target selects, take out some of these ships. He's got 2 transports there, but I don't know if I want to go for those. So here we go. And we do get 1 target select and 1 miss. So we'll take out a light carrier. I think we'll do that. Yeah, light carrier. So this plane now has to land probably Malaya. So worked out good. All right, so that's it then. That was our last kamikazes. Unfortunately, we're done now. All right, so the fleet is going to move. Where are we going to move to? Yeah, that's the question. All right, so these subs will for sure move over to here. We're gonna move these transports. We'll go into port is damaged there in Tokyo port. So I'm gonna take all these. Get a card over here. These will stay in Tokyo. Even though they can't reach it. 1, 2, 3. Tokyo is safe right now. So we're actually going to go into bring these guys back to Honshu there. Get rid of this thing. It's gone now. All stay in Honshu. These will move back into Honshu. Except for the militia. Actually, these will stay in Tokyo. So Honshu will consist of all those guys. We'll move 1 marine back. Actually, 1 infantry there. So of that. That'll be the 41st. Okay. This will walk across there. So. Okay, so the fleet is going to go 1, 2 to here. Get another fleet card here. Consisting of a heavy battleship. 1 fleet carrier. Destroyer. Transport. Oops. These also will go 3, 1, 2, 3. So. And we're going to carry 1 marine, 2 marines into the fleet car here. Sixth fleet will also move up there. And And seaplane, we'll go back. Tokyo. I'm going to put actually a fighter in Tokyo. Actually, 2 fighters in Tokyo. Okay. We could do a substitute no move. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess we could do that. Go and port here. We only have 2 anyway, so we have to leave 1 more back there. Drop him off there. These will go over here. Okay, what else? So those 2 fleets are here. Should probably just put these on 1 fleet card. We got 3 destroyers. Okay. That is it. Okay, I do go over my buys, and I moved a battleship forward. We vote on, yeah, I went over my buys. I always forget that. We went over those or not. Okay. I think. Let's see. We'll move this bomber somewhere. Uh, hmm. I think that might be all. Okay, so that's it for Japan. All right, let's go and place our pieces. So this battleship goes away. It's on stage 2 there. This all goes to here. I'm going to put 2 submarines at the shipyard there. We have a coastal gun and a militia to place. Do another coastal gun on Wake Island, I think. Actually, let's not do. Let's do a fort. Where's our fortification at? We'll get one of those free ones. Put that on Guam. And we have one more militia we can place somewhere. Kyushu here, I'll do that. Actually, the fleet should be here, my bad. 1, 2, 3, P-26. Yeah, not P-18. Okay, how much did we collect? Collection is going to be not much. Hate to even look at this thing. 11 plus 5. That's not bad. 16. Okay. 16's better than nothing. Okay, yeah. That's it. We'll pass it off to the UK, see what they do. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.